in the illicit manufacture of narcotic drugs, psychotropic substances. Every page dito, merong characterization or whatever you call it. Anong effect? Cannabis. The effect is cannabis smoke contains 50% more tar than the high-tar cigarettes, which puts users at an increased risk of lung cancer and other respiratory diseases. Wala masyadong patayan sa Amerika. Because they go for cocaine. Mayaman eh. Ang papi yan. Tapos ang sunod, cocaine. Nandito yung risks. Mixing cocaine with alcohol is a dangerous cocktail